Hi, this is PrintFix ID. Is your Epson printer printing blank pages? Or maybe the black ink is missing and the colors look incomplete? Don't panic. In many cases, this means your print head is clogged, and today I'll show you how to perform a proper power cleaning to fix it. Power cleaning can really help when your print head is clogged and the ink isn't coming out properly. Before we begin, remember, power cleaning should be your last resort. Always run at least 3 regular print head cleaning cycles first. If the print quality still doesn't improve, then it's time for a deeper clean. Before starting, check your ink levels carefully. Each tank should be at least 1/3 full. Power cleaning uses a significant amount of ink. Now turn off the printer completely and wait until the display is fully dark. Next, press and hold the question mark button and the power button at the same time. When the display panel turns on, release both buttons. On the main screen, you will see the option Run Power Cleaning. Press OK to confirm. Once you press OK, the power cleaning process will begin. When the process is complete, keep in mind that the print quality may take up to 12 hours to fully improve. Press OK, then go back to the home screen and wait about 1 minute before performing a nozzle check. Thanks for watching.